If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Sage 50 Accounting has three general asset account types for tracking the value of short-term and long-term assets. The other current assets accounts include prepaid expenses and short-term notes receivable. A fixed assets account track assets your business owns that are not likely to be converted into cash or used up within a year. Fixed assets track the value of long-lived assets with a larger value that help you perform your business. The value of these items are expensed over the useful life of the asset, which varies. Examples include furniture, some office equipment, computers, and vehicles. An other assets account tracks an asset that is neither current nor fixed. Use this account for things like security deposits on leases or intangible assets like patents. Of course, there are also other account types that are considered assets within Sage 50, like cash or inventory, but those are specialized accounts. Sage 50 accounting also has two general liability account types that track long-term and short-term liabilities. The other current liabilities account tracks liabilities your company expects to pay within a year. An example is a short-term loan. A long-term liabilities account tracks debt your business is not likely to pay off within a year. For example, if buying a company vehicle, you often take out a long-term loan. The long-term loan received to purchase equipment is an example of a long-term liability. Of course, there are other account types that are considered liabilities within Sage 50, like accounts payable, but that is a specialized account. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.